Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of kicking you out on the application of Tinder. You will go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page, you will go to this sign here and you can search about Tinder. And you can click. After that, you will go to first stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account or can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again, so please don't forget.